Hi guys, it's Rachel with WTI, and I want to talk about this cute bag that I have here. So this is Doc McStuffins medical bag. This thing is so cute. Any kid who's a fan of Doc McStuffins, of course, she is this cartoon who has her stuffies come alive, and she likes to take care of them. So this is really cute for your kids. It's cute. It's got x-rays. It has this cute stamp pad. You can put band-aids on your little dolls and different things like that. It's fun if you have any of the other Doc McStuffin accessories or medical things that can go with it. It's really, really cute to have. My daughter absolutely loves adding it to her collection. She has different things of Doc McStuffins. So she loves animals. So she likes to play vet. And this is one of the things that she absolutely loves to have. She's able to carry it around, pretend she's making house calls, and fix up all her stuffies. It has all the nice accessories inside just to make you feel like you're a doctor and taking care of all your stuffy animals. But that's just my point of view.